hear myself. Hey?
No.
Nazir, I have made you presenter. You can share your screen so that we can go over your work. Is that Nazir? Or anything from Nazir?
You there? Let me text him.
It's okay. I'll make Ubaid the presenter. Your screen. Scar.
Yeah, yesterday I was doing these, right? So search bar, I think that one, right? Let me just go in. That was good?
Cool. It is. Go back to your Excel sheet.
Gonna make it bigger or?
No, it's not //div. It will be //input. It's the one in blue. The first tag is input. It's not div.
No.
Yeah. So you give input. You should not give div.
But input.
Yeah. Of the star.
Okay. So now, so you could put div, you could put input, and you could also put a, right?
But it is here. So we'll can put it here.
Right.
If it is A, we will put A.
Yeah, I thought you could only put like div in there. I don't think you could put input.
No,
Yeah.
whatever it is, you have to put that.
Yeah, so we do again, and then I And I saw you put A in the last one, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So now the Google search button. It doesn't have search, so we could write Sonia and do this maybe? Counter this button. We could put button and then the ID. Let's see. Well,
Yeah.
unlucky. Then I was doing this one. I didn't do it because something's coming up. Oh, okay. Span came up, so I could just add span in there. It has 9 divs. Span and sorry for this one. What should I do?
Use / span. Remove the entire thing. Now open the brackets. So text. Normal gets equal to.
Text
Yeah.
equal to.
Yeah. That I'm feeling generous. Copy S. So make type S in the last.
Okay.
Hit on enter. Enter. Yeah.
Okay. Now I see how that's done.
So this is how you use text instead of the attribute. Earlier you were using the ID.
So this is looking for span, and then it has a task, and that text I'm feeling generous, right?
Right. There's the text inside the span, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And there's field link. Gmail. So over here we put
let's see what you wrote.
Okay. I put div class and then the class.
Class is different now. Back to the Firefox. Now if you see it as GB_P, the class is changing. So it means that the class is changing.
First I went to this.
Yeah. So what we can do is then Gmail will be constant even if the class is changing, right? /A again gets Gmail.
So we can do class over here. If I do A add class equals to G_P, that won't work?
Is correct, but it will not work next time because it is changing every time. Every time you open this link, it's changing. It was GB or GBQ, now it is P. So take something which is changing.
So we put text equal to D square P.
Text Gmail. Yeah, but capital G. Where is the text? It is something after the angular brackets have been closed. This text. Something inside the angular brackets is not text. Here will be your text.
Okay. So written Gmail because it's written Gmail over here?
Yes.
Over here.
No, we will see only HTML. We will not see in the UI. We will see here only in the code in the fire path.
Okay. So we'll take text. Okay. And then images.
I just see if it is the same now also.
At the same time.
What do you see?
As I was looking, I didn't know I could put I could use text to get it too. But then I didn't know that you can write a. I thought you can only write div. And so it's the class or the ID. That's what I was thinking.
No. We can use anything, but it should be there in the HTML. Same as what in HTML, that only we have to use.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I made something right under it. So this thing is too, right?
This is also having GB_P. So if you write /A, create class equal to what is GB_P? Capital P.
Here so see over here they only have like one. Like they have no quote. Does that matter?
You should put single quotes. Anything is fine. Single, double. In part you can put single, double. In ML it should be double. Yeah, hit on enter. How many you got?
Yeah.
So you have to take something which is unique.
Take the text.
That is unique. Yeah. Here text is easy, small, nice, simple.
Okay, so to write.
There is no other rate.
Text equal.
Well, text here.
I think it's right on the images.
Perfect. Sections. Hit enter and check always.
Yeah. That worked. This one we have apps link. Yeah, I wrote the same thing. I wrote the class. This one is changed to. So. Now it's QBWA. So we think we could now GB5. I don't see anything unique in there. Maybe class.
Let's guess. Baby.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I was trying to see if anything has the same thing as, class over here, but it doesn't, so.
Right, it doesn't. So then, super.
Yeah, good. The sign in button. Road at the add ID. No, add ID actually.
Copy it and check it if it is correct. You don't have to do it again. Cool. Paste. It is. Yeah, correct then.
Looks in the results. And that's when we put something in here. So like this, for example.
Yeah.
ID. So. Okay. So we use this as text too, right?
Text will change, right? First link may not be the same always. Right? First will change from, if you search Selenium, it will be different. If you search Java, it will be different. So we cannot go with text. We go with href. So now I have to go with something similar given by Firepath. Okay. So how we will go is, we are in a href equal to blah blah. Okay. Go level up. H3 class equal to R. It's with
Yes.
Yeah. And so if you wait in the XPath bar, and then remove the entire thing.
Everything?
Yeah. Slash. Yeah. Cool. Slash heavy address equal to R. Quotation R. Come out of the brackets. Now do slash A. Yeah, hit on enter. Let's see what happens. It says 10. So it is giving me all the results. So it's not working. Okay. So we will go one level up. Okay, we went to
So try div class R. Class RC.
Yeah, for H3 you have to put before H3. H2 should be there. H3 should be there. Hierarchy should be there. So div brackets class equal to RC.
Class equal to RC.
Earth and put a slash. Yeah. Do an enter. It is saying 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, so keep going one level up,
So
one
what
level
now?
up. Keep going.
Div get add class ID
Equal to G. And then 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what we will do is, no, so all the links will be the same. So they all will be having expert as the same. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what we will do is remove everything before H3 except double slash.
Right.
The entire thing into normal brackets. Yeah,
So the bracket, the square bracket.
that should be there.
Mm-hmm.
Double
Open.
slash open bracket before it.
Over here.
Yeah. On the last N open brackets square. Yeah.
Over here.
Square brackets. Yeah. Open. Yeah. Put in it. Number 1.
And cam1.
Yeah. Put 2.
One.
You have to put a. You have to put a. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Just so change this one to this one.
3. Next one will come. If your blue border is changing.
Yeah. Selenium benefits users. Yeah. So it's changing now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them will be your links. If you want all the links at once, you know what to do. Just remove all this stuff, brackets and all. You will get all the links at once. Right.
Right. And then if you want one, you can just count which one you want, and then you just put it in the
Yeah.
brackets.
Yeah.
Okay. So hit all the links from the beginning anyway. So this will do it.
Yeah. If you want everything, you can remove the starting and ending round brackets also.
So if so these brackets that we put, that won't work if you take out the parentheses.
If
So now.
then will come.
Where do these parentheses make it work then?
Then this make it work as a whole. If you put A of 1, it will go inside H3. Inside H3, it will search for A. As multiple A's, it will take the first A. So it will go into each of H3. H3 are common for all the URL links. So it will go into 10 H3s and then go to first A inside each H3. Okay.
Okay.
And this one will go to something like first H3. I mean, we'll get all the links and we will go to first one, which is matching.
So I'm gonna make 2 of them. So I know which one is. You could do what with what, you know?
Cool.
Now page numbers. this is going to T 1, 2, 3. Maybe.
First try with A. First try with A. A at the rate class equal to cell.
No, it's only FL. Okay. I think that'll bring up everything, though, right?
Sorry.
ID.
A star. A star is wrong, right?
Oh.
And the thing is, at the rate ID is not the right thing. At the rate class, it will be correct. Because this guy has class, so it's getting 40. So nothing. And so just right click and inspect again. Okay, so that is not working. So from what we see, okay, expand A on the plus. Yeah, this guy has a text 2, not span, 2 in the below line, 2, right? So you get //A.
Please.
No, I'll tell you. So I'll tell you, //A instead of star, at the rate n, at the rate class equal to FL, inside the bracket itself, the space, text brackets equal to sections 2. Close the bracket. Check now. Yeah, only one matching node.
This worked because we're looking at A and now looking for the class FL.
So we get 40. Get 40 nodes. Out of that 40, it will check which one has text 2.
So, one more two. And so as for N, we can also use this, right? To work through, right?
No, it is for mathematical operations. Thus is actual and this and this.
Okay.
That is for like 2 or 3. And that you can use when you're doing an OR between 2 parts.
Oh, well. I thought it was for N too, that's why. Okay.
It's not AND, it's OR. And that also between parts, not in the middle of brackets.
So this one will, well, let's see. This one will have...
It's equal to 3.
Does have 3, okay.
Same XPath, text equal to 3. Same XPath, text equal to next.
And for right next is going to be the same thing?
Capital N, XT. It's not working. So it's different.
Like maybe 11?
It's 11?
Probably wrote something different. So put something different for that.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah, it is somewhere else. It is inside a span instead of A.
Right.
span gets text equal to next.
Okay.
And one more thing is you have some attribute called style, right? So use that for XPath. It will keep changing. I mean, never, as in mouse not use. You use that only when that keeps hiding. If you don't want it, you can hide. There will be some links like that, right? In such cases, we will use style. In any case, we don't use it. Okay. And for next, it is for the next link. You can write here only /span. Only you can write /span. Text good. Equal to bracket questions next.
That's it, right?
That's it. Yeah, that'll work. You can copy it and check. Copy to file path, and just in case to be on safer side.
Yep, nothing wrong.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, now it's making more sense. Anything else we have to do?
Want to get that is done, right? Rank 10. So a little bit comfortable with basic XPath, right?
Yeah, no, very much better actually.
We have this in the first result. We have www.seleniumhq.org. Just write an XPath for that. Yeah.
This? Okay.
So,
to site.
second. So if you are quite busy and you can't spend so much time on XPath, okay, what you can do is instead of the numbers, don't want numbers in the middle of XPath, right? Instead of 1, you put @class equal to f_kv_sub.
Want me to change it? Class IM, right?
Oh, no, not there. No. Line is site. So site, we will leave it. The verb it is div.
Class.
Right? For that div in the XPath, which means previous item in the XPath.
So you wanna put this in the XPath?
Copy that. Class equal to bracket, class equal to quotations and all. Not div.
Only class.
Only class. Yeah. Come to XPath. Site, leave it. And go to the previous one, like div of 1. Yeah. Remove 1. Keep the brackets. brackets, put it, whatever I copied. Yeah. So this is site, previous one is div, and more is div, and one more is div. Once again, how many divs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5, 6, 7.
Okay, but where do we have the number?
Number is right here. So it's 1, 2,
3, one more, 3, div. Yeah. One more. For that one, copy class.
the one above.
No, that only. And replace one with the rate space. Hit enter. You will get. So if you want 1, 2, 3, 4, you know what to do.
So we will have to add parentheses and I don't know. Okay. I see what it is.
You get all of them.
So if I want to search for just.org,
Huh?
.org or dot
Okay.
.com. How would I
In the last, open brackets.
Here?
In the last, full complete last. Open brackets. So that thing is inside it. So you have to write a condition beside site.
Okay.
So contains brackets open, parenthesis. Yeah. Inside parenthesis. Yeah. Text.
Oh, okay. Okay. Text over here.
Parenthesis. Comma. Quotations. Whatever you want. .org. Selenium. What of them are having .org.
No. Do you have
Three of them
.com?
having .com. Give Selenium instead of .com.
So
7 of them are having. Wait. It is like contains. Yeah.
So contains and then sort of the test and then so why do we put the comma here not equal to?
So contains is a function in Xpath which accepts 2 arguments.
Oh.
So those are the 2 arguments. First one is second one is what. So instead of text you can go for array class and instead of selenium, go for that _pn. Capital P, capital. It is sensitive. Oh, great. Yeah.
Still not.
No matching nodes. No matching nodes.
No matching nodes.
Every class also doesn't have selenium anywhere. So next is having selenium.
No. Okay, check with text. Okay, so we use contain text we need on the website.
Where? What?
Where?
Two arguments, where and what?
So long as a text and what it is. No, text will be the
Where?
No, this is where and then this is what, right?
Yeah.
The text is anywhere here and what. Okay. I'm just gonna copy this.
URLs in the results.
The URL.
Yeah, this is the URL, right? www.seleniumhg.org.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you are getting a URL which contains the word selenium.
URL.
Oh.
Keyword. Okay. That was it, right? We have, let's see, any other question? So what does PAN stand for?
PAN is a portion of the web page like a span of life from here to here is called span of life. So similarly, from here to here, it's my span in a web page.
Okay.
I
Yeah, no, I don't know where he
Alright.
is. So.
I'll Nazir Center is he on? Is there?
I don't know.
That's what. Okay, yep, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He seems to be online, but.
Mm.
So, Anusha, do you actually work right now, or are you just teaching?
I am working with Qualcomm.
Okay. How long have you been in QA for?
For long 6 years.
You don't want to come to the States? You want to stay in India?
Sorry.
So you don't want to come to America? You want to stay in India?
Yeah, like except for the bad roads, everything is fine here.
Of course, your country is better than another place,
Like everyone is nearby, so you feel good.
Yes. Yeah, I've never been to India, but I'd like to go there one day.
Sure. I'll be a host if you're around Hyderabad.
Oh, you're from Hyderabad, though?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay. Yeah, my brother-in-law is from Hyderabad, actually.
Great.
Yeah, my brother-in-law is from Hyderabad. And one of my friends, he's from Pune.
Mm-hmm.
And I have another friend, she's from. She was from. I used to work with her. I think she was from Mumbai or where, I forgot. So one day I'm gonna come to India. I mean, I watch movies all the time, But
crowded, heavily crowded.
yeah, definitely.
He's not responding.
I don't know, maybe he's he went to sleep, maybe.
Yeah, not sure what's up with him. Okay. Like he has connected to the car already, but he's not.
I think he's been gone since we joined, so when I was in here, I didn't see him at all either.
Yeah. He's online, he is not on mute, but still no response.
So we're gonna have class tomorrow or no?
Have it now.
No, I said tomorrow. We're gonna have class tomorrow, or
Yeah, we'll have a compensatory class. With one, right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll make it for that.
So you said we're gonna do the XML, right? On the XPath?
Sorry? Yeah, we'll go through advanced.
Okay.
So, open up. Yeah, so I want URL contains .com that we have done, right? Then I want the URL whose title contains tutorial. Like I want this, but my condition is on this, right? So first I'll like expand for this. Okay, slash head saturate class or slash a, right? Then this should contain so tutorial. Something is wrong. Oh, spelling mistake. Yeah. One and yeah, two. These two guys are tutorials. The other things are not tutorials. I want to go to tutorial. I don't want to go to junk. Okay. So this is my thing which has tutorial. Okay. I will keep aside. Okay. I will get this. Okay. So my expert is in site, but I want it with relevance to H3, right? So we have to start with a common parent, like slash slash div. Okay. So I will put slash slash div slash. Okay. This is a common parent for H3 and this one. Okay. Okay. This is site. So I want this. Then there's one more div. So I want this. There's one more div. I want this too. And there's one more div. I don't want. Okay. I'm getting a lot of junk value.
So dot after class.
Oh, sorry. Equal to RC. And yeah, one div got lost. So the other things, I remove this one. I'll okay. So class RC. In div, I have H3, in which I have A. That's what I wrote here. Inside div, there is H3, inside which there is A. Okay. So from here, I will copy the div. After my div, I will take it. From after div. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. After div, I need a condition like this. Okay. But there are two conditions after div. So I can merge them. Now I got two links which are having tutorial in URL. Okay. You get confused like there is tutorial in this also, so why is it not, I mean, it's not getting this. Okay, I gave capital T. I give small
Yeah.
T network. I gave capital T. Capital T is in this. Capital tutorial. Alright, so this contains tutorial and this is my URL. Okay, so we are two experts relevant to one parent node. Two experts, one for this and one for this, and then whichever is the condition, we will put that condition in the parent node. Okay, we put this as a condition inside, right? Yeah, then it's highlighted as having tutorial. Even if I went to a different page,
No.
actually I need a table. So I'm just looking for some table, like rows, few columns. No, nothing. I will see if I can get some table. Cool. This is my table. Okay. And my table, and I want to get the for I'll get two experts and T body is fine. TDR. Okay. On my show it doesn't. I don't. Company, right? So first, this guy is company. See who's there. Company.
Into brackets.
I'll not take the pain, I'll simply put contains. Okay, I'm getting. Alright. TH. I put TD. So equal to company. In TR, in this TR, I want TD equal to unhandled. Went wrong. Okay, they're working. So I will go back. Okay, I'm going wrong. TD. See. How do I get it? Getting messed up. We are not having any attributes. That is the problem. Okay. Answer them. This is a basic table, but one would do a table like this. So I take this CD equal to how many class equal contact. Class equal to country. Okay. Yeah. For example, if something like this is there, and directly write HNTDs, I will be something like class and all. So ID or something. So now okay.
Okay.
3/td class equal to and equal to /td whose class equal to con. Okay, as you see, I'm getting this. There will be one or the other attribute. It won't be left blank. If you have the other attribute, you can get it. So this gets class. Okay, so based on this class, the class company text is there. So what guys contact? Maria Anders. Yeah.
So, like, how do you use this for, like, in a testing case?
In a testing case, for example, checkbox here. Okay. Instead of Alfred's blah, I have a checkbox here. Okay. When I check it, contact, update it in a form, application with a form over my top. I select this. That thing should be it should auto populate here.
Okay.
Right. So then I will get @class equal to check. This one be there in that case. Okay. @class equal to checked or class equal to unchecked. Class checked. T other equal to contact. Okay, then I'll get this. I'll store this in a variable like a equals to dot find element by xpath. Give me xpath, and I've stored it in contact name. Then I will check if my form text box is having the same contact name. So that's application cases. It is helpful. They're usually applications will store contacts and get them. Okay.
Chester, do you like do you more cases of like website to a test or as well?
You must have applications?
Yeah.
No, websites.
Most sites, right?
Yeah. If you're into the field with Selenium, it means websites. If you're with QTP, if you're with desktop applications. So it's dedicated to web applications.
So that I think it was the HP Quality Center.
Or
no, in general, like the HP Quality Center, right? Is it easier to use that to write test cases?
Usually people do not write test cases in HP Quality Center. They will write in an Excel. Upload.
Because the BAs, they have some companies require them to put it in the HP Quality Center.
But directly don't write it there because you are going to write if 50 test cases are there. If 50 test cases in that, you have to click on add test case. Then you have to type in each element, then click on save. Then you have to add, there will be some add button like this, like add new test case. Then right side you have to fill in all the details, again save and add. That will be a hectic job for someone who is adding 50-60 test cases. So you have a PQC plugin for Excel. So test cases in Excel, you will get them reviewed. And if you want someone to review your test cases from HP Quality Center, they have to go through each and every test case. And if you edit that test case, if you make changes, that will be recorded at the bottom. These were changes made on these day by so and so person. Now one want that changes to be tracked. I mean, during a review session. I mean, you'd be wrong in a case. You might correct in a case. It doesn't mean you have to put up all that thing that you are wrong here, you're wrong here. So one would like to write test cases directly into HP Quality Center. Not only with HP Quality Center, you have multiple tools like Zephyr. Okay. Oh my God. Some try. So there is something called Zephyr Jira. Okay. So we used to maintain test cases. So it will look like this. Any testing website will look on an average like this. Very, very slow. I don't know why. Loading. Yeah. So it will like this. Okay. Create button on the top. And you will get some screen like this, not exactly like this, but something like this. Okay. And you enter a step here, enter your test data if you have some test data. For example, your test data is the keyword Selenium in getting XPath, right? So usernames, passwords, URLs, application URL, where to go. All those details will be put under test data in few cases. Okay, you have to click here, you have to enter, you have to click here, you have to enter, you have to click, you have to enter, then click on add. For every step, this is a painful job, right? So
just use Excel, right?
People usually go with Excel. And tool changing with company to company. So even within company, from project to project, they changed tools recently. So then there is this thing called test link for tests. There's one more got installed. So testing. So this is a freeware actually, so most people use this. It's easy. I think I've shown you where's this one actually. So click this. You here, you click on add. Here, give some preconditions. Okay, preconditions. One column for everything. You can't give everything at one place. Then you do it here. Then you click on another add step button below. You'll add one more step. That is quite a painful job. So never where people don't suggest this. People usually go with Excel and just import from Excel sheet. There will be plugins users provide. The link provides a plugin. You can simply import from there.
Okay. That's easy.
Yeah. All in H Quality Center or TestLink or Jira. Always go test this. I mean, we'll test this outside. We will mark it pass or fail here. Okay. We will mark it here because I am releasing a version 1.1 of my website. Okay. After a month, I'm releasing 1.2. And suddenly I get a doubt if this case was working in the previous version. I will come here, I will check which date I ran, which version I ran, and was it pass or fail. So I can get back and forth information, how it worked and how it failed and why it failed. Okay, so mostly for tracking purposes we use these tools. We don't write test cases here, we just upload them. Okay. Yeah. I'm trying to get some table. Okay. Let's see. This is no, this is also bad.
Yeah, I don't think they got you.
No, this guy is also bad. I'm searching for something which I can work with. This is also not nice. None of them seem to get. Okay, yes, I will search for some table and put it in. Based on the other values. Nope.
No.
Get this link and some working link, and then I'll put it in the group. XPath, Selenium is half done.
So why don't we actually, so you know how we're learning XPath, right? So how come we don't actually use like that it gives us instead of like breaking down or
Yeah, the XPath it gives, for example, this question is there. I want XPath of this based on this tutorial, which it cannot give directly, right?
right, multiple, right? It's not unique.
It doesn't give. It will not give a conditional XPath. And I have this Inspire path. This aims. I got this XPath now. Okay. But what happened is further the developer, okay, H3 here, so one more A here under this, and that might contain like provide feedback link. Okay. XPath will not work because there are two A's inside H3. Right? So usually, and then there is this div of 8. We have so many divs. We have many divs. At times, this div might come down, this div might go up. So in that case, my test case will fail. I am, if you see the mail and image, okay, class GBFP and this DQ GBR, these are the same. Okay, so this guy is saying div of 1, div of 1. Right? But well, he might interchange this. I want images first, then Gmail next. This will down and this will go up in that case. In that case, if it is div of 1, it will work. Right? So instead of that, I will get a whose is Gmail. So even if it has been moved from here to here or here to interchanged with positions of other things, the email name will be constant, right? So it will not fail us. The failures will decrease and the rework will decrease. This is the reason we try to simplify and customize the XPaths. Whatever the FirePath guide gives, it is absolutely correct, but it will work only if there are going to be no changes in our application. That's not the case. Things might change.
Right.
So we just try to customize. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like Ubaid is off. Sorry, Nazir is not joining. Okay. So any other doubts?
No, I'm just gonna try to do it before with the two links. I'm gonna try to figure that out.
I'll try it. Okay. I do give some text. I'll try to get some tables and to work with. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. All right then. I'll let up later.
Okay, tomorrow.
Perfect. Got it. The link. So I-grid the info. You put it in the Wex chat window.
Okay.
So grid.info. grid.info. So yeah, so in this you have a table. You see here, same example. Okay, they has given class, ID, literally everything. So I want name of all the females. Okay. Of all females and now looks like there is no operation. Okay. All names or male work. Okay. And instead of this, I'd rather put it in a WhatsApp group.
It'll be better because then I have to forward over here. WhatsApp group. If I go on the video, then I gotta wait for it to load and go all the way down. So I was created a new group. Only for actually learning instead of Sheila, Naveen and all. Yeah, they are. I mean, that's what. And there is one more example here. The example. So in complex info, get names of people who are about 23 years old. Okay? There are folks like this. So whoever age is greater than 25 of equal, you will put the greater than. The greater sign, right? Yeah, in Latin. Let's say just to practice. These things should be good. Okay. Then to click on so I can touch them. Sorting. I'm clicking on this, right? So when I click on this, I want it text path. Okay. Get me. Yeah, parts of the headers. And that's all. Then, chalo. Actually, the problem is the video is taking a lot of time to be prepared. And we will prepare like 10:51 a.m. my time. Show you. The video recording is ready 10:59 a.m. So this I'm not able to upload it overnight. Okay. So when I was getting ready, I'm just converting it and putting it in YouTube. Alright then, guys. Well, tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay.